Hi everyone, it's Marky. Today I just wanted to tell you about my favorite things about these Puritan Pride garlic pills. So these are soft gel, which I really like. They're super easy to take. And then also they are odorless. I've been taking garlic for years now, and I've been taking this specific brand for probably close to a year, just because I think I did finally find one that I like the most. Super tiny little pills, and they're really highly concentrated. It's 1,000 milligrams per pill, and you can take it up to 4 times a day depending on your needs or what you're taking it for. I really don't have any complaints about this at all. I have enjoyed every part of it. A lot of different supplements can upset my stomach. This one doesn't at all. It's a super small little pill, so it's really easy to take. I just take it with the rest of my supplements and I'm good to go. So if you're looking for something like this that is going to take or be easy to take, and then also there's no odor, there's no like smell or aftertaste, anything like that, I would highly recommend that you look into this one. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.